What up? It's your boy, the Crazy Canadian. We're back for another video. So here's the situation. Valentine's Day is coming up, and you've been on your favorite dating site, Grindr, Tinder, whatever it is for you, I'm not gonna judge. And you, being the fine fellow you are, don't want to give her flowers like a normal person would. You want to show her that you have the IQ of a third grader and you can weld two pieces of metal together. So using that only asset, I'm gonna show you how to use that 45 IQ and give her the best gift ever. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take some stainless bends and some stainless straight pipe, and we're gonna make her a metal heart. And if that doesn't make her wet, then she probably has standards. But if she doesn't, you might get a blowy. Essentially, here's our idea with this. We're gonna take these two and weld those, and we're gonna take these two and weld these. Then we're gonna cut 4 pieces to join up from here to here and from here to here. And that should make our heart shape. Ideally, you'd be able to do this much easier with full J-bends, and you would just have to make 2 cuts on each pipe. We don't have J-bends, so we're gonna do it the hard way. We're going to overcut our pieces so they overlap. And that way we can cut them exactly, we can cut one and then flip it over, put it on the other one and cut it exactly the same. That way our heart is going to be symmetrical. Now, you're gonna wanna clean your pipe because it doesn't say Gucci on it. It actually says made in China. And if she sees made in China, she's definitely not giving you that blowy. Here's our basic layout. As you can see, this piece is gonna go over here. We're gonna make them into 2 full J's and then line them up and cut them. It'll just come out more symmetrical. So you can get the average little look here. I still have to polish up some of these pipes. We'll clean them off. These pipes definitely didn't clean up as well as these ones. These ones are a little more porous than this pipe. So it might look a little bit off, but it'll still be cool. I'm gonna polish that up and then I'll meet you over there. I pretty much spent what feels like forever getting all these shiny. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tack weld them up in place to get our J-bends. I'm gonna run them back over and make them shiny again, and then we'll weld them up, and then we'll cut them, and then we'll weld the final 2 cuts. I think my camera probably died. We lost that last clip. It's all welded up here. What I'm doing is now is I'm just getting these angles cut. And then once this one's cut, I'm just gonna flip it over on top of this one. And that's how I'm gonna mark my angles on this one. That way they're identical. Now we're left with a little bit of gap here because I had to cut it on the chop saw, but I think we should be able to manage, so I'm going to try and just tack it up and see where that gets us. Well, there you go. There you have it. There's your heart-shaped Valentine's Day Schedule 10 piping thingamajigger. And if she doesn't appreciate it, at least you learned how to build turbo manifolds just a little bit better. I do what I can, man. Just spreading the vibes. I'll upload this before February 14th. That way, if you guys want to do this, you can still do it. There's still time. So, make sure you guys like, subscribe, peace easy, and get that V. I'll make sure to get a reaction, maybe. Face buds, I got you a thing.
What'd you get me? Oh, did you make it for me?
Yes.
I love it, thank you. Come on.
Oh yes, a blowy!